Hello everyone, welcome. I am going to share with you a new project that I just finished. I'm calling it Winter Wonders. Now the kit is actually from Kate Crafts on Etsy. That's Kate, K-A-T-E, and Crafts, C-R-A-F-T-S. I did a lot of sewing on this one. It took me about a day and a half doing all the extra sewing and stuff, but I absolutely love it. I saw that a lady named Louise had done this. I fell in love with it. Looked everywhere for the kit because I was looking for winter. I was looking for all kinds of names. Finally contacted her, and she told me that it's called, I believe, Lovely Christmas. And so I'm like, where did the Christmas come in? But it has one Christmas page, and it has some winter Christmassy words with it. So that's where the Christmas comes in. But to me, it's a winter kit, so I went ahead and named it Winter Wonders. It has these adorable little animals. I layered and, you know, just did a lot of extra. There is a few pieces that are not her kit in here, and that's fine with me. This little piece I sewed in, that's not part of her kit. I just distressed lines on the back. In here, I did some embroidery thread stitching on the edge, just a random stitch, and added buttons. I thought that was just really cute. I always forget to do the insides, and I really wanted this as a journal, but then I tried to make the outside of the spine a little bit thicker, and the outside of the spine did not get to be thick enough to add a signature. So I just added the pages that she had that I liked. This is a separate page. Added another little button here. Oops, I forgot to share with you. There's a charm down here that is an owl, and then there's a deer. Kind of cute. So there's a button on the edge of that. The only thing I forgot to do, I was blabbing and, you know, not thinking, but I wanted to sew around these as well, but I didn't get that done. But they're really cute images. I absolutely love them. Added these little tabs on the outside edges of them just to kind of add a little bit of fun. There is a skate in there. This little cute deer, adorable. And then just layered underneath, this is a really thick board on the outside. I used some Tim Holtz washi in order to stabilize the center of it, and just wanted to make it random. It's just a little quick thing. I added some leaf stitching on that one, which I thought was kind of cute. And then on the back, there's this little pull out from the little birdie, and then there's that. Anyway, I hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up, share if you would like, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe, ring the bell, and you will get notifications. As for now, remember your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Have a great day.